Hello YouTube, this is Trashy Review, and today we are going to be going over Series 5. Okay, so let's rip this thing open. We're getting there. Okay. And it's open. So we got that. First off, let's open up the guys that we are seeing visible. So, I don't know their names yet because this is only my first video of my unboxing of Series 5. So, wait a second. Forgot the other top. That is him right there. Okay. Let's open up the bottom three. If I get a limited edition. Okay, we got this little cube guy. So put him over here. It's kind of cool. Oop, another cube guy. There's two of them in a pack. We got him. Little shrimp, he's kind of cute. Okay, the last on the bottom. And, whoa. You know, it's kind of actually disturbing, his eyes. I want to see what he is. Let me see. Okay, sorry about this. Oh, guys, this is the booklet. They have tumbling toilets, PU, minute to dunk it, and toilet towel. So let me look for my little ice cube guy. He would be in scrap, maybe? Yeah. Oh, he's an ultra rare. Sweet. Okay, he's part of this scrap trash. Ultra rare. Okay. So let's open up this big bin. Okay. We have him. I don't know what his name is, but I'll see you later. Oh, he's cool. A laptop. I want to see him in a second. Oh. Got him. Why did that fell? Man down. Okay. That's cool. Next, we have like this kangaroo mixed with cow something. I don't know. Oh, we have what? Oh, I wanted this guy. Yeah. And then we got, yes, the donut. I wanted him. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and check out my channel for more awesome, trash-tacular, bacular fun. Thank you.